Hey, what's happening, folks? Welcome back to the Shave Den. Thanks for joining me this early morning, Sunday morning, the day after the New York Knicks had won the NBA championship game. Boy, that was an amazing series, amazing playoff win. It was just kept you on your toes throughout the entire series, and they won last night. Finally, after 53 years, first time in my lifetime, so I at least got an opportunity to see the New York Knicks win an NBA championship. So definitely one for the record books, and it was a lot of fun. And me and my family really enjoyed ourselves over the course of this year. So exciting times. I was out and about pretty much for the entire day yesterday, looking for a new car for my son who's going to college real soon. So we've been spending multiple weeks trying to find something. We finally landed something yesterday, so we wrapped that up. So I'm happy about that. But while I was out, I came home and I received an unexpected mail call from Peter Charkalis over at Ariana Evans. So thank you very much, Peter. I did not expect a box to be this big. He had mentioned that he was going to send me a set. We were talking about Nero Rosso when he did that fundraiser for Corey. At the time, he was in need due to his accident, so he had done these small 2-ounce sample sizes in black tins of Nero Rosso. And, of course, I purchased that to support Cody. And when I first smelled this for the first time, I was simply amazed and blown away by this fragrance. It was everything that was within my wheelhouse and more. And as you guys can see, I scooped out. I probably shaved about 3 times with this already. So this would be a great travel option to take with me. So I had shared with him, man, that was amazing. He says, well, when I get everything set, because as you guys know, he was waiting for boxes and a lot of stuff, I'll send you out a set. So I believe that's what's in here, and I thank you so much for doing that, Peter. That's very nice and very generous of you. And I'm just saying that before I even open it, because I have a feeling it's pretty heavy, and that's probably most likely what's in here. So thank you very much. And at the time, I also he had done a little small EDP, which I only used once. So I'm going to use this and probably take this with me when we go away as a family this year, because that really is a great fragrance. All right, so let's not waste any more time. So actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this quick unboxing just to share what I received in this box here. And of course, I'll be doing an official review of these items as well on the channel and sharing with you guys. And I'll share set notes and details on it. Yeah, so let's get right into it. It looks like it's really packed really well. I haven't really seen, so as you guys can see, a lot of packing. It's definitely protected. I know there's been some new glass jars that you guys may or may not have seen at Ariana Evans, where he had his logo embedded into the glass and actually molded into the glass itself, and it's a little bit wider. So that was really cool. I've seen him share that on as he's building up his inventory again, because everything's going to be, from my understanding, in Ultima 2. So he's going to kind of redesign labels and reestablish and put everything into the glass jars, because that's ultimately his plan, to move everything from the plastic to the glass, which I appreciate and I enjoy very much. All right, so let's get into it. Let's open up. Let's start in the middle here. Not sure. This is actually, I think this may actually be one of the new jars. Let me put this aside. Oh, it is. And this is Obsidian Ember Artisan Shave Soap. So definitely that wide mouth. I don't have, I could show you, but basically it's equivalent to the same size you guys would expect from the plastic tubs, but in all glass. And there you have the Ariana and Evans logo engraved into the glass on the bottom, which I think is very nice and classy and very professionally well done. And I believe he's also looking to have boxes made up for these as well for shipping, as opposed to try to protect it with these and cardboard, to kind of improve the overall experience. So let me get my nose on this, because I've heard great things about Obsidian Ember Artisan Shave Soap, but I never, so it looks like there's a photo of a cherry here and coffee beans. There is the pour, which is also easy access, so when you're loading the brush, It's easy to load in these bigger wide mouth glass jars. So very nice. Oh, wow, that is really great. And actually, what I wanted to tell you guys is based on what's in here today, I am planning to shoot my battle razors between the Overlander and the Bison. So I have 4 days worth of growth. I have not shaved since Wednesday morning. Today's Sunday morning. So I'm going to go ahead and pick a set here from what Peter had sent me. And that's what I'm going to be shaving with for that razor battle between the Bison and the Overlander. Oh man, this is really nice. I don't typically like heavy coffee fragrances. So if something has a lot of coffee fragrance in it, I like it, but I don't like to use it on a regular basis because you don't want to smell like you spill coffee all over you. But this really has more of the cherry than the coffee itself. You really don't pick up the coffee much, but I could tell it's there, but it's very subtle. But that cherry is what's the star of the show. So I don't have all the exact set notes in here, but man, I'm really liking this. I know a lot of people that had their nose on this for the first time also shared that this is a really fantastic, amazing fragrance. And again, this is in the new Ultima 2 base. So that is awesome. So you know what? This may very well, maybe I'll use this one for the shave, but let's see what else is in this package as well. So let me open up this here. This here is actually the matching splash. So thank you very much again, Peter. That was very nice. You also included the matching splash of Obsidian Ember as well. Really cool looking label. I like that label a lot. And I love these big bottles, 5-ounce bottles. You get a lot of splash there. So between the two, here you go. That was the first set that I definitely will be sharing and featuring on the channel. So very nice of you, Peter. Thank you very much again. All right, let's go ahead and put this aside. And this here, I think, is the Nero Rosso, the famous Nero Rosso that I've been hearing so much about. I've been trying to get my hands. Actually, I was just going to buy a set. With the times that he did make it available on the website, I did not have an opportunity to grab it in time. It was ended up sold out. Then when they had the meetup, the Razor Emporium meetup, no, actually the Razor Company with Maggards. I was thinking of having someone just pick up a set for me and just ship it to me. I don't know. I wasn't thinking, so I sent him a message and say, hey, any chance you still have a set of Nero Rosso available? I'll be happy to buy one. I'll send you a PayPal if you have one more set. Just ship it to me. But unfortunately, they sold out so quickly at the meetup. He did not have any more left, and he was waiting for boxes, and which I believe is in this package. Let me pull this out. Yeah, so there's the box from Nero Rosso with the Daniele Maullu logo. Ariana Evans on the bottom. Very classy, really professional presentation. Let me go ahead and open this up, and there it goes, Nero Rosso. Wow. I finally got a first set of my Nero Rosso because, man, I've been using this, and I absolutely love this fragrance. I personally think this is probably one of, and listen, Peter has done, you guys know, anyone that has bought from Peter, from Ariana Evans, him and his daughter Thalia build such amazing fragrances. It's very difficult. You can pretty much like anything on a blind buy from Ariana Evans. And I know that from being at the meetup and being able to smell every single soap that he has ever produced. I do not remember ever smelling one that I just did not care for. So you can be confident that anything you buy from Ariana Evans, you will absolutely enjoy those fragrances. He also uses very top quality ingredients. To me, it's probably one of the top artisans out there, if not the best. It's probably one of the best artisans that I currently have in the Shave Den. And I appreciate the quality and attention to detail that Peter does, especially in his packaging for even the Daniele Maullu series. I know he's going to come up with box and packaging for shipping these new glass containers, which I believe he just doesn't have yet. But man, look at that. Look at the presentation when you get that. So when you pull this out, it's a little bit smaller glass jar. He's keeping these glass jars for the Legacy series. So this is the Legacy base. So just to put these two together, to compare them, so you get to see the size difference here. So you got the wide mouth similar to the plastic tubs that we all have used for many years, and here is the standard size that they're going to use for the Legacy series. Really cool looking, classy label. Let's go full to the rim. I mean, you can't get any more than that. I mean, that is, I'm not sure what the ounces in here this is, but it's a lot more. 7 ounces. You got 7 ounces of soap here. This will last you a lifetime. And it's one of the best bases you can use. Oh man, that is amazing. Man, if you love tobacco, I don't have all the fragrance in here. I know there's a touch of strawberry in the base, but you don't even pick that up. There's a little bit of a coffee note in here. I definitely will be sharing this on the channel, but to me, this is probably one of the most masculine, dominant fragrances, and it's unique and it's its own fragrance, different than anything else I've ever smelled or used. But I can assure you, you can absolutely buy this on a blind buy and you will not be disappointed at all. And by the way, just so you guys know, I'm sure many of you know, I also have an affiliate with Ariana Evans. So if you use Long Island Shaving 10 at checkout, you'll also be able to save 10% on your purchase at Ariana Evans. So just throwing that out there too, if you guys want to save 10% if you've never tried. But I think most of you have been a supporter of Ariana Evans for a long time. So there's the soap, and then here looks like the aftershave splash. So that completes this unboxing. Let's go ahead and show you the presentation box of that. So there you go, Daniele Maullu aftershave splash. And I recently came across his channel where he was actually doing a shave, Daniele Maullu, on his YouTube channel, sharing the products that Ariana had made. I know the original Legacy release that they launched, he was actually shaving someone using his products, and that was really cool to see as well. I'll include a link in the description. It was a good watch. Him shaving someone with a straight razor. But again, look at the box presentation. I mean, professionally done. There's the writing on the back. So let's say aftershave splash. Shows the ingredients. Legacy. There's a scan bar, QR code on the back, which I'm sure takes you to the website. Handcrafted by Ariana and Evans. Put that aside. Remove that. And then look at this. An 8.5 ounce aftershave splash with a lot of goodness and skin food, and that fragrance is quite amazing. And again, I've only experienced from the soap and the sample EDP, which I absolutely loved. But now I have an opportunity to share this with you guys and shave. So actually, now that I'm thinking back, both these sets are phenomenal. But since I'm so over the top about this one here, I'm going to shave with this today, doing the battle, which I actually have right here, between the carved bison and the carved overlander. So overlander on the right hand side, bison on the left. I'm going to create a separate video for that, so I'm not going to include it in this video. But I'm going to be, and it's already decided, I'm going to be shaving with Nero Rosso today from Ariana Evans. And thank you so much, Peter. This is very nice of you and Thalia to send this out as a care package to me and for me to share with the folks on the channel. I would have been happy to buy one. It's just been nuts in my life. A lot going on personally, and at the same time, I'm still trying to get some videos up. Some of the stuff that I've been releasing as late, I shot earlier, and I just kind of been releasing it. But lately, it's been a little hectic with work and stuff going on in my personal life, which I don't want to get into, but it's all good. Everything's fine, but just trying to battle through everything. But I appreciate all of you that do support the channel. Thank you very much. You guys are awesome. Many great comments, and I do on my casual leisure time. I try to read all the comments that you guys send me, and it does kind of cheer me up when you're down, kind of dealing with stuff, and you see that. And I love engaging with you guys and you. So keep the comments coming. If you have any questions, suggestions, anything you want to share, I'd be happy to do so. But again, thank you, Peter, if you're watching this. Thank you very much. It's very generous of you to send this out, and love that I now have an opportunity to witness the new glass jars that I've been hearing so much great things about. Man, also there's a ton of soap in here too. I think there's 5 ounces of soap in these new glass jars, and I love the new design of the labels also, which is pretty cool. So I see he's kind of going with this theme with many of the new labels. So really cool. Thank you very much for tuning in. We're 14 minutes into this video. Just want to share this quick unboxing with you. And I can't wait. And I'm going to build up on getting my razor battle shave in real soon, because I have a lot of days worth of growth here to get through, as you guys can see. So with that, thank you very much for tuning in, and you guys have a great rest of your weekend. Take care now. Bye-bye.